Have you ever wondered what happens deep inside a jungle when humans are not around? Welcome to One Story Today. This is the story of a wild, mysterious jungle where every animal had its own dream and its own secret. The story begins one calm morning when the sun rose over the thick trees and the jungle came alive with voices. Leo. The lion stretched his golden mane and said, "Ah, another beautiful day to remind everyone who the king is." Nearby, Max the monkey swung down from a branch laughing. "King? You mean the laziest animal in the jungle?" Leo frowned. "I could eat you for breakfast, Max." Max grinned and replied, "Then who will make you laugh?" "Your Majesty." The lion couldn't help but chuckle. Just then, Ellie the Elephant walked in slowly. "Stop your teasing, Max. The jungle needs peace, not noise." "But peace is boring," Max said. Hopping on her trunk, Ellie smiled. "You'll understand one day, little one." In a corner, hiding under the shade, Zara, the zebra, whispered to her friend Mia the meerkat, "I heard something strange last night." Mia tilted her head. "What did you hear?" Zara said softly. "Someone was digging near the river, but it didn't sound like an animal." Mia's eyes widened. "You mean a human?" Zara nodded. "That's what I fear." The next day, strange footprints appeared near the water. Leo gathered all the animals. "This jungle belongs to us," he roared. "No human will take it away," Max said nervously. "But what if they have traps?" "Then we fight smarter," Leo replied firmly. Ellie lifted her trunk high. "Together we are stronger." The animals agreed. That night, they planned their defense. Zara watched the moon reflecting on the river. "What if we lose our home?" she asked softly. Mia smiled and said, "Then we'll build another. But first, we'll fight for this one." The next morning, they saw two humans carrying bags and shovels. Leo hid behind a bush, watching. Ellie stood ready to charge. Max whispered, "Time to show what the jungle can do." As the humans bent down to dig, Leo roared so loud that the birds scattered into the sky. The men froze in fear. Ellie stomped the ground, shaking the earth beneath them. Zara and Mia ran in circles, confusing the intruders. Max jumped from tree to tree, dropping fruits on their heads. The men screamed and ran, leaving their bags behind. The jungle cheered. That night, the animals gathered around the glowing moonlight. Leo said proudly, "This jungle is safe once again." Ellie added, "And it's because we stood together." Max grinned. "I told you, being loud can save the day." The jungle laughed together. But Zara looked up at the stars and said, "Maybe the real power isn't in being strong or smart, it's in standing together." Leo nodded, and that's how a jungle becomes a family. The moonlight shimmered across the trees as the night grew peaceful again. If you ever walk through a forest, remember there's a whole world watching you quietly. So, walk gently, because in every jungle, every creature has a story. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories.